Hello everybody, today I'm in Victoria, Texas, visiting our excavator plant, which has been part of the CAT family since 2012. Before we go beyond the numbers, let me just start by giving a quick recap of our first quarter 2026 operating results. We made another strong start to the year, showing the resilience and strength of our business as we move forward into 2026. Sales and revenues of $17.4 billion were up 22% year over year. Adjusted profit per share was $5.54, and profit per share was $5.47, reflecting 7 cents of restructuring costs. Adjusted profit per share was up 30% year over year. Our order rates remained strong, and we saw first quarter order rates of a record level, which meant our backlog grew by another $12 billion to $63 billion. This reflects the strength and resilience of our end markets and the opportunities we have for long-term profitable growth ahead of us. We maintain a strong balance sheet, and we continue to generate good, strong free cash flow, which enabled us to return $5.7 billion to shareholders through share repurchases and dividends in the quarter. We've been able to take up our sales guidance for the year from the top end of the 5 to 7% target range to low double digits for the year. This reflects the strength of our business and the opportunities in front of us. It is now up to us to go out and execute that strategy for delivering long-term profitable growth. Another great performance from everybody across the organization. And now, for the last time from me, let's go beyond the numbers. I'm now joined by Martin de Haas, who's our Senior Vice President of Excavation Division. Martin, thank you for welcoming us to Victoria. Perhaps you can tell us a little bit of the history of Victoria and what's produced here.
Well, Andrew, welcome to our Victoria, Texas facility. Here in Victoria, the facility's been around for about 14 years. We make large excavators, super large excavators, large wheel loaders and compactors.
As you said, this is actually one of our relatively newer facilities, and obviously modern manufacturing is a key part of our new strategy. Perhaps you can talk about some of the things you're doing to implement modern manufacturing in this plant.
So we're using modern manufacturing to continue to improve safety, productivity, and make the place a really good place to work for our employees. Several examples. For example, in our paint lines, we use robots for primer and final painting. In our welds, in our fabrications area, we use cobots, where a robot and the operators work together. And to move heavy equipment around, we have a lot of heavy equipment here in the facility, we actually use air casters to move the equipment around by hand in a very safe way.
And that's obviously critical. Safety for our employees is a really key part of our strategy and one of our values.
Yes.
So now also thinking about advanced technology, obviously Excavation Division has been a leader in advanced technology across Caterpillar for many, many years. Started with the next gen Hex, started in 2018. Perhaps you can talk about some of the things we're doing in advanced technology for Excavate.
So we've had the advanced technology platform on our machine since we launched the next gen Hex, as you said, in 2018. All our machines have the capability to have features like grade control to make the machine more efficient, safety features such as people detect, object detection, eval, and going forward we'll be continue to develop more technology features. Think about task automation, and in the future fully autonomous machines. At ConExpo we also have launched flexible technology, where customers can switch on technology features when they need it, and they can also switch them off when they no longer need it.
And that obviously helps our customers beat some of their pain points, particularly around safety and productivity and labor, which they're having. So also now, maybe perhaps you can tell what's the future for us here in Victoria?
So the future is very bright for our Victoria facility. We'll continue to ramp up production. We'll be bringing more models. We need more labor, of course, to build more machines. And we'll continue to invest in safety and quality to serve our customers and our employees.
Martin, I really appreciate the time today, and thank you for the tour. Thank you again.
Thank you for visiting us.
Thank you.